Smart motorized track, remote-controlled curtains, effortless light control. Mark the punch position for the mounting brackets. Punch holes for mounting brackets. Insert the expansion screws into the holes. Secure the mounting brackets. Insert the headrail into the brackets. Secure the mounting bracket to the side bracket with screws. Mark the punch position for the mounting brackets. Drill holes for the side brackets. Insert the expansion screws into the holes. Secure the side brackets in place. Insert the headrail into the brackets.